So that's now our last tutorial around Stellar LBS location-based services, and in this tutorial I will explain how we can easily integrate Stellar location-based services and Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise Rainbow unified communication client. Rainbow is coming with a full set of APIs, and in that context I will use the Android SDK of Rainbow, and to do that I modify the Gradle file to also integrate Rainbow. So this is done here. Okay, and what I do is that when I will enter a geofence, I will change the presence status of the user on Rainbow. So to do that, in the constructor of the geofencing client, I will call a method called connect Rainbow. So in that method we will do the Rainbow connection, login, and so on. So we'll set a debugging point here. So here we just start the Rainbow connection, and we are implementing a response listener. So when the start will be succeeded, we will make the sign-in of the user into Rainbow. So here it's a user that has just been created for the purpose of this tutorial, so no issue to display the password. And when the login will be succeed, so we will go in that method. So we'll set a debugging breakpoint here, and that's it. The remaining point to do is when we will detect entering a geofence, which is done here. I will simply use the Rainbow SDK to get the profile of the user which has been logged and set the presence of this user to a status which is do not disturb in presentation mode. So in this so this is the user which is used for on Rainbow. So that's the user called Stellar LBS tutorials. Okay, that's the one we just logged into the source code, and I will show you on the OmniAccess Stellar LBS dashboard. In this site, the geofence are defined. Okay, and when we will hit one of these two geofences which are on the way, in fact the status will be changed to do not disturb. So the one we will use is the do not disturb zone, typically for that purpose. So now go back to the source code and let's restart the application. So we have hit the breakpoint about starting the connection to Rainbow when instantiating the geofencing client, and so we will sign in the user, and the sign-in will be okay because the password is okay. So let's do it. So this is a synchronization success breakpoint. I need to remove saying that the location services are correctly starting. And so the sign-in is okay within Rainbow, so that's good. And now I will show on the phone when I'm moving on the site. I will go to the DND zone, and we will receive the unentered geofence notification. That's done now. And when receiving this entering geofence, I will just set on the user profile the presence to do not disturb presentation mode. So that's it. I do that. That's okay. I let the application run. So the application is still running, and we can go back to the Rainbow client, so I'm using the web version, and see that the present status of the Rainbow user we connected, so tutorial Stellar LBS user, this present status has been changed to do not disturb. And this has been done because we linked the entering of geofence with the present status of the user. Of course, in that case, we need to do the reverse when exiting the geofence, but this is just the purpose, was just to show how we can easily build things with two SDK from both Stellar LBS and Rainbow. And there are other possibilities using Node.js SDK of Rainbow to build some chatbots that will deliver location-based services. This is something we have implemented, and that is running in our demo center in Colombes, in France. So I hope this tutorial series was helpful, and I think now you can start to build application on top of the Stellar LBS SDK. Bye-bye.